about our judge. Today, judge is Dr. K. Nagarajan from Coimbatore, from Tamil Nadu Police Service. If he knows about our judge, he is a botany, BSc Botany, MA Public Administration, Diploma on Yoga, MA Yoga, and a PhD in Yoga. From Sub-Inspector 1976 to Additional Superintendent of Police 2017. He served in Iran, Coimbatore, Chennai, Tanjavur, and Tiruchirappalli. He had 5 mementos, memorial services, 5 commendations, 50th Independence Medal, Government of India, and 2 medals of meritorious service from Tamil Nadu Chief Minister for investigation. And he got Vedatri Jnanasriyar Award also 2018. He took part in rifle revolver shooting, NCC, and police department. He became Sky Professor in 2016. He worked as Secretary North Coimbatore Sky Yoga Center from 2015 to 2019. He has got own yoga center from 2011 onwards in his own house. He took yoga classes for revenue officials at Coimbatore, Salem, and Dharmapuri. And about 50 times he went national, international conference on yoga, presented papers on yoga, and published 10 research articles on yoga. Thank you, Judge Dr. Nagarajan sir. Over to you for judgment, today's on debate.
வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வையகம், வாழ்க வளமுடன். Good evening, Professor Chris Murali sir, my dear clubmates and friends. I am very much happy to be with you to discuss on the effect or impact of anger. Thank you for the introduction for Mr. Raja Raman. It is very nice to hear the points laid by our learned professors in the arguments about the impact of anger. Vedatri Maharishi, while explaining the effects of anger, says when milk is boiled, the contents of the milk expands and some of its contents got exit and wasted. Similarly, when a person gets angry, the life energy particles and biomagnetism expands and we lose life energy particles and biomagnetism. We know very well that life energy particles and biomagnetism acts as a fuel for millions and millions of cells in our body and organs. So when the level of the life energy particles and biomagnetism come down, it normally affects the physical body and mental body. We know very well the physical body is made of Panchabhutas. The first element is life energy particles. The other 4 elements are the combined activities of life energy particles. So the basic constituent of the physical body is life energy particles. The same life energy particles are responsible for the biomagnetism also. So anger comes, it both affects physical health and mental health. So Vedatri Maharshi would say, when an ant, while taking its grain, is obstructed or disrupted, it fumbles, moves here and there and jumps out of anger. From this point, we can understand that the emotion of anger came into being even before man came into existence. It has its own genetic lineage. We know very well that anger is born out of Sanjita Karma. It is embedded in our body. Even when the nature gets disturbed, the nature itself gets angry because its duty of principle of natural justice is affected, disrupted. Hence it reacts or overacts and it acts against justice and causes damages to the society. Vedatri Maharshi used to tell that the natural calamities are out of the negative thoughts created by the human. But however, the nature is divine's function. It neutralizes it and reduces the damages. Anger has its own history, date back to the origin of nature even before living beings came into existence. It's an act of Rajoguna, as told by Saint Kabila in Sankhya philosophy. So maintaining or managing anger is very difficult. Though other schools of thoughts, including psychology, tells about the practice of managing and maintaining anger, it will not have a permanent solution. That's why Vedatri Maharshi, after deep contemplation and research, devised the system of neutralization of anger. According to Vedatri Maharshi, anger causes damages to both physical health and mental health. But he didn't tell how much percentage of damages it caused to physical health and mental health. That's why we are discussing here. There are many experts, scientists, researchers conducted research study on the effect of anger. Fox News Redford Williams, director of Physical Medicine Research Center of Duke University, says when one gets angry, the body releases unhealthy amount of adrenaline and cortisol hormones in the bloodstream. This heightens BP and increases the heartbeat, which leads to heart attack, as our Professor Chris Murali Iswar said. They have a negative effect on almost all aspects of body's physical functions, according to him. Dr. Mercola, a highly regarded and widely published health practitioner, says anger responds to health problems like headache, digestive imbalance, insomnia, anxiety, depression, skin problems, including eczema. The face reddens, body trembles, muscles of the arms and legs tightens. Stomach ulcers are also caused by anger. Highly Conservative Center for Disease and Prevention, that is CDC, admits that 85% of all the diseases have a strong link to the emotional state. Scientists from Harvard University found that anger weakens the immune system. So we know very well that immune system is affected, both body and mind is affected. Fristel of University of Michigan conducted a study over a period of 7 years among the married couples and found that anger shortens one's lifespan. Vedatri Maharishi says that 75% of the biomagnetism is spent for physical activities and 25% is spent for mental activity. So it is in the state of beta between 14 and above. Some of the professor quoted it 14 to 20. Scientists have found out that when anger comes, the frequency shoots up to 25 to 35 cycles per second. Hence, the biomagnetism is spent for equally to physical activity and mental activity. When a man gets angry, he says, I am angry. So we cannot separate him from anger. He becomes anger itself. It means that it affects his physical body and mind. So when we say about personality, anger affects personality. Personality is of both physical health and mental health. From the points put forth by our learned professor here in this forum, we can understand that anger causes damages to both physical health and mental health. From their arguments, discussions, result of research studies by the scientists and Vedatri Maharishi, I am of the considered opinion that anger causes damages both to physical health and mental health equally. Thank you for the opportunity. வாழ்க வளமுடன்.